Welcome back to Renovating House 142. We're here in the shop and it's been a busy day today. I'm very proud of this, but check this out. Let there be light. So, may not be quite easy to tell, but I put in the additional 4 8-foot fixtures on the ceiling. So there are now a total of 8 8-foot fixtures on the ceiling, and then I also had 2 more left over, so I tucked them under the shelf up here to make for a nice lit up area underneath the shelf. I also was able to move the stairs from over there, got it all taken out, and I had to resize them a little bit to get them to fit over here by the walk door. This is definitely not the finest construction of stairs, but it'll serve the purpose for now until I can build a new set. And I also worked on the oil and paint. So we've gotten quite a bit done today. I'm really proud of the progress that I made. So Teresa's starting a new job, and her Boston Fern needed a place to live for a little bit. So, but yeah, we are making progress. The intent going forward is this space on, if you're coming into the garage, would be the space on the right. This would be my parking space for my car, and Teresa's electric Mustang is going to park on the left side, because then I can mount her charger to the wall over there and she can pull in and charge easily. The last couple places that we've lived, we've had to kind of string out the charger cord, and so it'll be really nice to have the charger right next to the charging port. Across the front up there, we're looking for storage, and I hope someday willing a soda machine. That bench will probably eventually come out and be replaced with my toolboxes and my workbench. And then this space over here will be for motorcycles. My lift table will fit in this space. I'm pretty stoked about that. That's 8 feet there, and my lift is 7 feet long. So that'll fit right on side there, and I can park one of the bikes on there. So I'm really excited about that. And that would leave this space here nice and open for whatever work needs to happen. So I'm really stoked. I'm looking forward to progressing. So, but we definitely do not want for light now. I want to say that these fixtures are something like 10,000 lumens each. So it's bright in here. All right, let's get to the time lapse.